Hey crafty friends, it's Rick. I'm back with another video. Today we're going to use the mouse sprinkle donut die set from Scrappy Boy Stamps, along with the fairy tale phrases, word dies, and the I Love Theme Park pattern paper to create a cute little card that's perfect for Valentine's Day or anytime show a little love. And I'm going to show you how to make a glazed donut super easy. We're going to start off with our donut. We're going to cut out our base piece of our donut with just some light brown cardstock. So we're going to take that and we'll take that into place. So I will cut that out. And I'm just going to take my mini die cut machine, run that through. And I've got my super cute little mouse donut that we will use shortly in a minute, because we're going to add something to it as well. Now we need to make our glaze. Before we do that, we've got our pink piece of paper. I'm going to take a pencil and I'm going to trace around my die, just roughly. And all I have to do is see it just a little bit. But I wanted to do that first because I'm going to add a little bit of ink around the edge of that. I just want it to be around the edge of the outside. Roughly leaving that center a little bit lighter. So that we have a little bit more color into our glaze. I'm going to take a little towel and kind of buff it off a little bit. So there is our inked panel. Now we're going to take Plano packing tape, and we're going to line that up right on top. I saw this in another video and thought it was just brilliant. I don't even remember the creator that I saw it on, but whoever you are, thanks. You are absolutely smart. So I've got that on. And I'm going to take my titanium scissors. And I'm going to trim that off. And I didn't have to get any glossy accents or any of the little diamond glaze or any of that to do this. I can just take and create my donut that's nice and glazed so beautifully without issue. Now, I like to take a bone folder before I do anything else. I like to take my bone folder and kind of rub across it to make sure there's no air bubbles inside of it. But I'm going to take my die, line it up. And this is the glaze die for the set. I'm going to pull my mini die cutting machine back. Add that on. I'm going to run this through. And I like to run it through a couple times, since we have that tape on there, so that I know that it cuts through. Then if I can pop those centers out, pop our little glaze pieces out of our die. You can save that, cut out some small pieces. All right, so I've got my glazed part. Now I'm going to come in and add a little bit of shading to my little donut as well before we assemble the rest of our card. This is a super quick little card. We're going to add a little frayed burlap around the edge of our outside edge of our little donut because it was cooked. I'm a fan of the old school donuts when they were actually fried. I used to work in a bakery and they air did them, and they're not the same as a old school, old timey, drop them in the hot greased fried donut. Not the same at all. On the wire rack, and you just drop them in, and oh, they were so good. We used to have a bakery in my little hometown, and they had that was the morning breakfast. We would stop and get donuts, and they were cake donuts. That's probably where my love for chocolate cake donuts came from. Glazed. I don't want anything on it, just glaze. It's probably where that all came from. So there's our little donut. And then we're going to take and add our glaze. So I will grab my tweezers, and we will pick a little ear. We will add our liquid glue on our glaze, and we will line that up and pop on there our strawberry glaze. I don't know why I picked pink. I guess because I had Valentine's Day on my mind, and that was the color scheme I was going for. We'll do our other little glazed ear on that side. And then we have our large glaze centerpiece. So we'll add our liquid glue on that. Add that on. So we've got our little glazed donut. Isn't that just the cutest thing? Have all that shine on there. And hardly any work. All right, so for my card, I've got, I've cut my center piece out, and my little sprinkles are over here as well. I've got my card base, which is just a standard top fold card base. And we're going to add a piece of our pattern paper to the inside. I'm going to use the same stripe that I'm going to use on the front. It was just an extra strip, so that will go on there. We've got our matte layer. So I'm going to add that. This was cut at 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. So I will add that to my card front. I've got my 4 inches by 5 1/4 piece of pattern paper. I'm going to add this. So we just have that 1/8 inch of a border. And then I have this little strip of 1 3/4 by 4 inch piece that we are going to add right down here. And then we are going to add our little donut. And it's going to go up here, but we're going to add our sentiment first. So we'll go ahead and add that. I did add some foam strip behind that. And I chose Once Upon a Time as the sentiment. And I actually had done the glaze technique to the letters as well. So that, I hope that focuses, so that they are the same. So we're going to add that right down there. And so we're going to pop up our donut. All right, I've got my foam tape on my donut, and I'm going to add liquid glue on the back of it. I actually chose a little bit thicker foam tape, more of the standard thickness for our little donut. And we are going to kind of pop it up right here, close to our sentiment, kind of at an angle. And then we will add our little sprinkles. Some of them. I don't know how many we're going to add. So they're tiny. I'm going to start off with I'm going to add just a few little dots of liquid glue there. And I'm going to take my pickup tool. And the ones for the ears are smaller than the one for the donut part. And I'm not sure that I know it's going to take a little bit longer for those to dry with the glaze on there. I had to think, I was like, what? That stuff. That good stuff, tasting sweet stuff. So we're going to pop just those little sprinkles on. And I chose to cut it all just from white. And actually, I cut it from a white glossy cardstock, so that it would be sparkly too. Okay, I just sat and counted the large sprinkles so that I could know how many dots of glue to add. There were 11, so we're going to add those. And I'm starting off with the ones that I know are turned the right direction. At least I hope I counted right. Add that on. We've got a couple little more sprinkles, then we got our other ear to do. Sprinkle there. We'll have a sprinkle there. And one there. That little sprinkle right there. And I'm kind of just moving them around like they were randomly just thrown on top of the glaze. Put that one there. All right, I'm going to add little dots to our next one. And we will do our little sprinkles on this ear. And just randomly turn them in different directions. As well, so that they look random. So we got a couple more little sprinkles. Now, I would say if you're going to add highlights to your glaze, you should do that before you put the tape on, so that it's locked in there. I'm going to add a little highlight around the edge of the donut. So we're going to add just a little highlight around the edges. Especially where it curves around. I'm going to switch over to just the gel pen to make it easy. Add some around her little ear. Back over that. We'll add a couple highlights there. Add a few over on this side. And a little on this ear. Because you know we got to have our little highlights. All right, my friends, here is a look at our glazed, shiny glazed donut from Once Upon a Time card. I think it'd be a cute card for Valentine's Day. Look at the inside. You can add whatever message you want. I did save the inside pieces of those donuts. Whole donuts, just to make something with those. I thought that would be a great, fun little embellishment. But there's a look at a card. If you need any of the supplies you've seen today, I have them all linked and listed below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Stay crafty. Love you.